Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to repost an Instagram story. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Then tap on the plus sign in the center. And then in here, take any snap or any photo. Then click on the smiling rectangular bar on the upper right and then go to stickers. In here, tag a person. Then click on done. Now for tutorial purposes, I am going to be using two accounts over at Instagram. Once done posting and tagging the other account, switch over to your other account this time, and then view their story. We can go to our messages this time, and then refresh. Once done refreshing, head on over to your conversation with the account, and then in here, it will show a button that says add to your story. As a side note, you'll only be able to repost some stories over to your story only if the person has tagged you. Once you view their story, tap on the button that says add this to your story, and then you can go ahead and post it or reshare it with your story. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.